What is that?
That's a square.
It's a square? Okay. What's next?
A rectangle.
A rectangle?
Yeah.
What's next?
What is that?
What is it?
A circle.
Circle?
An oval.
An oval?
Yeah. An octagon.
An octagon?
An octagon too.
That's a pentagon.
Pentagon. Diamond.
Diamond?
Yeah. I'm missing a triangle.
You're missing a triangle. Where is it?
What is it?
I don't know.
It's on the bed. Nope. It's not on the bed. This one not on the bed.
Where is it?
This one not on the bed. This one not on the bed.